friends, welcome back. This is Diana, the Paper Pineapple, and I'm back with another week in my 2024 Project Life album. This is week 31. I have finally caught up, guys. It feels great to finally be back with just one layout. So yeah, let's go ahead and dig into it. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through my week. Top 4x6 picture there is just a point of view of me at church, and it's been a while since I've been at church, and so it felt great to finally go, even though I was by myself and without my family because everybody just wants to sleep in during the summer and they didn't make it to go to church. So anyway, I'm glad that at least I get to go. So I went ahead and used a label here, and I'm using July's die cuts. Here I just used a little happy face to add to that little label there to the left. And don't forget to download my free weekly cards. I have these 3x4 cards. They are free to you to download and print and use. And if you do use them, please use my hashtag and tag me so that I can see your wonderful creations. That would be great. So yeah, take advantage of that. The next middle row there, the first 3x4 picture is a picture of Maui, a little pineapple bath bomb. And so my son was begging to have a bath. So he was like, you don't have any more bath bombs, Mom? Because he had run out of all of his. And so I had this one, and I just let him have it because he was desperate. And this was given to me by one of my besties, Amy, here on the Crafty Chaos here on YouTube and Instagram. Go and give her a follow. She gave this to me for my birthday, and so it was super cool because it had a little charm in it. And I told my son, I was like, okay, you can have the bath bomb, but the charm is mine. And he agreed. So it was a cute little avocado, and it was so cute. I just used a label here, and then I used this card. It was from a past kit. I believe it's from the Aprils or Marches. And then I added one of these labels, the Good Life, and I used this heart circle die cut, but then later on in the video you see that I switch it out and I end up using the packaging because I did cut out the pineapple there to put on for this card, and I found it, and so I went ahead and used that. The next 3x4 picture there is a book that I just finished reading, and then the 4x6 below that is a picture of my daughter. I put a little arrow where she's at in the front. I was invited by one of her friends to take this little photo shoot for the school for the football team, and it's a picture of her and her dad, and they were kind of doing like a advertisement kind of a thing, like a sponsoring, and they decided to print this picture and use it in the pamphlet for the school, and it's featured in the front in the office. So that was pretty cool. She enjoyed that. And then I'm moving on to the right hand side of my protector sheet. For this week, I ended up using a new design. I'm not sure what design this is, but it has like a flip over or a flip out, whatever you want to call them. And it features 4x6s vertical, and then 4x6s horizontal. So this week I ended up taking lots of pictures, and so I thought I'd document it a little bit. And here I'm using a past journaling card. It's one of Elle Studios printables, and then I used this little die cut that says find joy in today. And then this paper here is from Damask Love Sunshine Boulevard. I used 6x8 paper pad. I felt like it kind of went well with the colors that I used for the journaling cards. And so here I'm just stamping out Wild and Free. I did end up using these Avery file tabs that work perfect to add tabs for your flip outs, and I just stamped that on both sides. I just put Wild and Free, and because it fit perfect in that tab, and then I just slip it in, and then I adhere it to that tab there, or to the flap there. Top picture is a picture of my daughter and I. We ended up having a girls' day, and we went to go get our petties done. We went and had brunch at this new place where they had amazing food, and we ended up going shopping, and then we got our ears pierced. We got our second ear piercing, so that was fun. I did end up adding my Thursday 3 card. I forgot to put it in, and I Forgot to put it on camera here, but it is in there, and I did miss part of my recording, so I do apologize for that. But yeah, this is my final layout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys!